Hi fellow DIY friends on a budget. Do you have nasty old baseboard heaters that you hate looking at? So happy to report I found this easy budget solution called Veil baseboard covers. So my baseboards went from looking like this to this. Originally, I looked into replacing all of the baseboard unit.
So much money.
So I was very happy to find Veil and install these covers right over the unit. It was like an instant renovation. Their website is great, very easy to use. They have all the information about how to measure, their different kinds of styles. If you do have any questions, you can call them, you can email them. Their customer service people are so nice and very helpful.
It was so easy to install. I did this in a few minutes.
Love the new look. It's cute, it's modern, it's sleek, and I've recommended them to multiple people at this point who have complimented us on our heaters. Veil baseboard covers, highly recommend. Happy renovating!